What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Good evening, y'all. It's like, it's good afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock. But what's good, man? Hey, man, we back with another video, man. We'll get this started today. I ain't gonna take up too much of your time, but we're gonna mess with the Box Chevy today, the 85 Box Chevy Impala. I done had like 2 Caprices, so I gotta get in the zone of saying Impala, because I be mistaken saying Caprice all the time, and it's an Impala, and we're gonna keep saying that so we can get it understood and get it correct. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like on the video if you're enjoying the content, man. If you got any question, comments, or opinion, man, leave it in the comment box below. You talk to me, I talk back, baby. Hey, that's how we get. Hey, that's how we get in. That's how we get where we got to go in this world, man. You have to network. You have to talk to people. If you're walking around hollering about you don't need this person, need that person, man, you need to get a reality check, because we cannot make it without each other. Black, brown, white, don't matter. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Make sure you have that notification bell turned on all, man, so you won't miss any of this good old content, man. This old, ooh, man, make sure you don't miss it, man. Yeah, look, we're going to take the camera turn around. I'm going to tell y'all what we got going on today, man. I'm tongue-tied today. It's hot. I've been working. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. All right, so I got a little bit of that purple power. We're going to spray a little bit up in here. Look at that. Look at that dirt just boiling off of there. Look at that dirt just boiling off of there, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, we finna clean this thing up today. Engine bay clean. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all back after I get this thing all sprayed down with this purple power. We're gonna fire up the, I gotta hook the water hose up to the pressure washer. And we're gonna crank this thing up and blow it off. Man, look at all that. Look at that. Just dirty all up in there. Look at that. Look how dirty that is. Yeah, man. We finna try to clean this stuff up today. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. I got the hose hooked up. I put the breather back on. Let's see if we can get it to fire up. Let it run. Hopefully we don't mess nothing up spraying all this water on this old thing, but this car need to be clean, so let's see if we can fire this thing up. Choke. Oh, there she go. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. I done blew it off pretty good. So let me cut the AC on high. Oh, it's on high. Well, that means my AC getting a little low. Need to add a little bit more in there. But yeah, I done washed it off, and it's looking a lot better, man. Oh my God, it looks like a new car up under here almost. Need a little scrubbing, but man, underwear is black. Look a lot better now. That looks a lot better. You can actually see the intake. You can actually see the number 5 right there on the intake. So I think I cleaned it pretty good for the first little go around, I guess. You got a little dirt dog and stuff right there I missed. Yeah, I missed that. But for the most part, yeah, I got it pretty good. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. Now the next thing we're finna do is, the next thing y'all gonna see us do to this Box Chevy is, we gonna, it's time to start welding this thing in and doing the body work so we can get it 100. It's time to do that, and we'll be on the road to paint. Then we gotta adjust, figure out if I'm gonna replace these fenders right here. As you can see, it's a little crease right there, all the way down. And then it's a big dent right here, and it's a little small crease right there. We got a dent right here. You can see the dent right there, you know. Got a little dent right here, a little ding. I'm about to pull out several little small dings where people had stuff on the inside sliding around in the car. I already replaced the tag light. I put an LED light on it. I didn't record it because I didn't think it was, you know, super interesting. But these little small things like that, I'm gonna have to get my hammer. I bought a new hammer. I might get that hammer and get them out. I feel that with foam. I'm gonna have to cut that out and touch that. Yeah. And she ain't too beat up, man. She a pretty solid car. Got a little rust right there that I'm gonna have to take care of. But other than this spot and that spot up there I just showed you, that's pretty much all the rust that's on the car. She look good too. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little clip of engine bay cleanup today for the box. Got that AC on. Seeing it snowing too. Running good. Missing just a little bit. If you really look, if I be still, you can see that water on top of that breather box. It's missing just a little bit. I put some plugs on it, but what I need to do is, I got it in the cart already. I'm finna order spark plug wires, distributor cap, coil, and I'm gonna put a new gas tank in it too. I'm gonna show y'all the gas tank. Why I'm gonna put a new gas tank in it. Man, we can't ride like this, y'all. We cannot ride like this, gang. Oh no. Oh no. I got new straps in the cart too. Oh no. Look at that gas tank, gang. Oh, she gotta come out. Man. I can deal with this frame because I gotta do I'm gonna do frame treatment on it, chassis treatment on it. But this gas tank, man, say, she got to go. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna be coming up pretty soon here too. But yeah, man. The Impala coming along, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Listen, man. Man, hold on.